These cinematic title templates will work with Premiere Pro 2018 or above versions. Bibas Neue and Morganite fonts are required for these templates. Let me show you how to edit and use these templates. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Let's import a video clip. Place it on the timeline. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Right-click here. Click on Manage Additional Folder. Then click on Add. Give path of the downloaded and extracted folder. Click on Select Folder. Here all templates are installed. Select any template and place it on the timeline. Here you can change the text. Change font from here. Change text color from here. You can change text position and scale from here. These titles have in and out both animation. You can also adjust its duration. Just expand or trim the template. That's it. Thanks for watching.